Look at my little friends. Hi, Becky. Hi, Sally. Charles. We have Cody. We have Jamal. Careful, careful, no, careful, don't cross the street. Hey, what's up? This is Jeff. I am with SS Agents, and we are at the Pendjari National Park, and we're about to go see some animals. So let's dive right into it. Let's go.
Le nom Pendjari au fait. Le pas Pendjari, le nom n'a pas été choisi par hasard. Le nom veut dire Pendjari. Pendjari qui veut dire la grande rivière, la rivière Mali. Les animaux qu'on appelle les Big Five. Les Big Five, ce sont l'ensemble des 5 animaux les plus phares. Donc nous n'avons pas les 5, mais nous avons 4.
So we are at the Valley Creek, and there are some buffaloes there. So we're going to check out the buffaloes right quick. Unfortunately, the use of drones is restricted. I mean, I try to pretty much get clearance and have authorization to fly, but unfortunately couldn't really get what I needed to get. But I guess we just, like, you know, hang out, chill, and watch the buffaloes do their own thing. So let's see, the buffalo's still chilling. And the hippo, there's a hippo that's over there. One thing that we can do is pretty much change the settings right here. So we're gonna do 4K zoom at 30 frames a second right here at normal, and pretty much the 30 frames per second, and then we're gonna try to zoom pretty much. So the drone can actually stay here, and we're gonna pretty much clear towards the animals, and then we're just gonna zoom. Baboons. Hey, what's up? This is Jeff. I am with SSA Drones and I'm here with Adaru. And we are about to get this safari started. Let's dive right into it. Let's go. Right? Yeah. See, that's why I wanted to get my seatbelt. So make sure you follow him on Instagram. I'm gonna put his Instagram below or right here. Oh, there we go. So put his Instagram, contact him if you are coming into the park so he can just like give you a tour. You know, so all right, so let's check out more animals. Let's go. quickly, this is what the back of the head of the Safari looks like. See that? Don't think you're gonna come to a safari and try to be cute. It's dusty out here. Safaris is not for the faint of heart. It's not for the person that wants to be cute either. Look, back of the head. If you want to be cute, don't do a safari. Is that you, Ken?
This is Ken.
This is Ken right here.
Hey Ken. Here's Ken. Here's Ken.
The bird is the word. Thanks a lot for checking out this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. I am Jeff with SSH Drones, and I am signing off. Later. Peace.